Okay, camera this one, right? Okay, so hi, this is Auto Banerjee, of course, and this video was basically shot a few weeks back, probably the start of December or maybe the end of November. Okay, and I'm uploading it right now. And let's be honest, I'm not really sure if this podcast or the podcast I'm talking about over here is even relevant at this point. But yeah, um, I had this video and I really wanted to upload this one. So here goes it. And also, and also like New Year's in the next 2 days. So I have got a very special video lined up just for tomorrow, 31st, right? So I'll get back to work because I need to finish that video. Till then, you enjoy this one, okay? Okay. So bye, and yeah, bye for now. Bye from me actually. Okay, you see the video. I'm watching you. See the video. देखो चलो bye.
बट मैं इसकी ओटीपी ब्रूट फोर्स कर देता हूँ। इससे क्या होगा? फोन अनलॉक हो जाएगा। ओके, मैं थोड़ा सा इस तरफ कर लूँ। इनकरेक्ट पासवर्ड, ट्राई अगेन। तो जैसा हम देख रहे हैं, हमने फोन से इस डिवाइस को कनेक्ट कर रखा है और मेरा फोन अभी लॉक है। अब मैं यहाँ से एक स्क्रिप्ट रन करूंगा और ये पासवर्ड ब्रूट फोर्स करेगा। जैसे ही अनलॉक हो जाएगा, मुझे बता सकते हो। अरे भाई हो भाई, ये तो आपने चोरों को बना दिया।
Okay, so recently I was watching this podcast and I saw this person performing this live Android hacking stunt over there. First of all, let's just talk about what brute force is. I really heard that term and I really wanted to explain what actually it is. So, brute force is basically using all possible combinations of strings and then trying them one by one as the passcode. Now, hey, I'm talking about just the passcode and not passwords over it. Passcodes are just numbers. Passwords go a step further and adds alphabets or special characters or maybe some kind of a different language alphabet, and everything just adds up into it. Okay, now think about a modern Android device. Have you really think about what how many possibilities can it have? Just for passwords, just for passwords, it will probably have just for passwords, depending on the number of, if I just take that the number of that the length of your password is n, then the total number of possibilities is 10 to the power n. Just for passcode I'm talking about it, and passwords too, that is a whole different thing. That is a very bigger aspect. Okay, now again, think about the modern Android device. Can it really be brute forced? Well, no, and this is because there are a certain number of tries after which the phone gets disabled and you have to basically go to the service center to make it work again. Okay, so you probably have noticed that he uses a device over there, which is this one. Now, what is this device? Well, this device that he uses over here is basically called a flipper zero. Well, how does it work? It basically captures the wireless signals every time your phone is unlocking near the flipper zero. It basically captures, it has the capability to capture the wireless signal, and you can clone it and keep it over there. You can clone it and save it over here for some further use. Okay, and what it does is basically the next time you use the device, it can basically send out the very similar signal that your car key or maybe your Wi-Fi or maybe your phone sends out every time they unlock. Okay, and basically it uses this process and unlocks your device in the process, right? If you really think that brute force was a thing, then have you even heard about Jack the Ripper? Jack the Ripper tool. Jack the Ripper was a criminal. Jack the Ripper, not, I'm not talking about him. I'm talking about Jack the Ripper tool in Kali Linux. If it were that easy, then everybody would have done it, right? And so again, the purpose of this video was that if you ever see this thing in anybody's workstation, then it's probably better to know that they are probably, that if they are not someone who is into hacking, or maybe like who is professionally into hacking, who is a pen tester, or who is something of that sort by profession, or maybe they are practicing it, then it's better to know that.
Run.
Lot of nations have already banned this tool, but India still hasn't, and I believe that I knew about this thing way back when it was launched, but um, the crimes have started increasing, and I think that it is basically a good time that I teach you about it so that people get to know what's happening and they do not lose their property in this process, right? So now you know about it. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Oh, hero, hello. Everything in this video is just made for educational purposes. Don't imitate anything or even try to imitate anything. Okay? Do just people in the society just need a few heroes. Already बहुत सारे बुरे लोग बाहर पड़े हैं. So don't just be a bad person. Don't just be the evil person because all of these things can really harm the society. Okay? Don't be a pain in the ass for the society. Just go out and do something good. Okay? This was just for educational purposes. This was just made with the sole intention so that you know about the bad things that are happening and keep yourself away from all of this. Okay, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.